Alright, in this video, my wife is going to do the turn signal bulb replacement. One of her turn signals went out. Go ahead and hit the hazards. So first up, you need to figure out which bulb it is. So compare the good side. We got this bulb right here on the outside. And it's not flashing here. So that's the problem. This bulb is more than likely bad. Okay, you can turn the hazards off. Okay, now you get the fun part of fishing your hand in there. So on this particular car, it is located back here. That white tip connector, that is the bulb. Now, turn signal bulbs, or just headlight bulbs, all bulbs in general, they screw into place. So clockwise is tight, counter is loose. So you're gonna have to fish your hand in there, turn it maybe like 45 degrees counterclockwise. Yep. The car is not hot, so you don't have to worry about accidentally burning your hand or anything like that.
Okay, I don't think it's possible to even get my hand in there.
You gotta get creative.
I don't think this is physically possible. No, I actually don't think so. Like, I can't do this. I can't fit my whole hand in there.
Yeah, I can touch it with my hand.
I can touch it, but I can't turn it. If you're wanting me to turn it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn it to get it off. Now, this bracket, see the duct tape, definitely been hit before. This bracket, I guess, could be moved, but that's a lot of work for one little bulb. We're gonna have to get a little creative here, see if we can fish our hand in through that side. You might be able to do it like that. Alright, let's see if we can get it popped up. So we decided headlight probably has to come out to do this. We're just going to take off the bolts that seem to be in the way. Yeah, I guess you could do that. Right, so one more, and then we got a push pin here. Those are always fun. Alright, and I'll get something for the push pin. Okay, this might be enough. We got the push pin out. Go ahead and give it a wiggle. Now, just be careful because you don't want it to scratch the bumper paint. It's still blocked by the grill.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, took the push pin out of the grill, so now you should be able to shimmy it out of place if all is right.
Just don't want to break it.
Yeah.
It's like really in there.
Okay, so turns out you got to pull the whole bumper off to get to this, so that's ridiculous. We're not going to do that. The bolts we removed, I mean, they gave us a little play, but not much. Really, you need some nose pliers. Get them down there, twist this out. Of course, I can't find mine, so managed to get it out. Here's the bulb. You can go ahead and pull it out. So the bulb, you're going to probably have to press down a little and then twist counterclockwise. And then it will pop right out. There we go. So this is the bulb we need to pick. And it's as generic comes. It doesn't even have a name on it, but we got the voltage and the wattage, so this is good enough. Alright, we just got back from the store. I put the new bulb in. This is turning into we're rushing because it just started raining. She's putting oil in. I'm doing the bulb. I'm gonna fish the bulb back in there since this turned into being just unreasonable. So let's turn the hazards on, make sure it works. Alright, it's a new day. It rained and yeah, so new day, here we are. We managed to get the turn signal bulb in without pulling the bumper. I just had to squeeze my hands in there and then, yeah, barely got it. So hit the hazards, let's make sure it works. And it works. Okay, you can turn the hazards off. Let's finish buttoning up the headlight and then we're good to go. Alright, turn signal works. We're good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.